Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mr. Cobalt, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to calculate the standard free energy change in chemical reactions. Now there are three methods to do this, and I'm going to in separate videos I'm going to be talking about each method separately. So let's get into this. So the first method of calculating the standard free energy change of a reaction is to use this equation here. So the standard free energy change of a reaction is going to be equal to the standard enthalpy change of the reaction minus the temperature multiplied by the standard entropy change of the reaction. Now, in previous videos, we talked about how to calculate the change in enthalpy of the reaction using tabulated values. And the equation is very similar to the one for entropy that we covered in a previous video. So just to remind you, the standard enthalpy change of the reaction is equal to the sum or addition of the individual enthalpy changes of the products multiplied by their coefficients in the balanced equation. These are the stoichiometric coefficients that you get from the balanced equation, and these are going to be multiplied by the products, the standard enthalpy change of the products. And then once you've got those added together, you're going to subtract out the sum or the added products of the enthalpy change of formation for the reactants multiplied by their stoichiometric coefficients. And so that's how you get the standard enthalpy change of the reaction. And in a previous video, the equation for entropy is very similar. So the standard entropy change of a reaction is equal to the sum of the entropy of the products multiplied by their stoichiometric coefficients in the balanced equation. Subtracting from that or minus that the sum of the standard entropies of reactants multiplied by their stoichiometric coefficients from the balanced equation. So you can find these from tabulated values. So you look up the values in tables, find the changes in the heats of formation, find the standard entropies of products and reactants, calculate using these equations. And then once you've got your standard entropy of reaction and your standard enthalpy of reaction, then you can plug those into this equation and put the temperature in. Make sure the temperature is in Kelvin. So it should be in Kelvin. And so that's how you would calculate the standard free energy change in the reaction. Now, there's a couple of things to talk about here. Strictly speaking, this equation is only valid at 25 degrees Celsius or temperature equal to 298 Kelvin. So this is limited in what you can apply it to. However, when we look at the changes in the enthalpy, the standard enthalpy change of a reaction, or standard change in entropy of the reaction, our delta H, our standard delta S, over a limited temperature range, those changes are very small compared to the change in the temperature. So therefore, we can still use this equation here to estimate the free energy change, the standard free energy change of a reaction at other temperatures. So even though strictly speaking, it's only valid at 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin, you can still use it to estimate the standard the standard free energy change of a reaction at other temperatures. So in another video, I go over some example problems of how to use this equation to calculate the standard free energy change of reactions. So please go watch that video if you want to see some examples done. I hope this video was helpful and clarified some things for you. If you did, please like this video, hit that like button right there, share the video with others. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell right there so you can be notified by other videos I put out. Put a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And if you got any questions, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.